Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu says that Hazrat Haram radiyallahu anha told him, one day the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to her house and went to sleep. Then he woke up laughing. She asked, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what made you laugh? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I felt amazement witnessing a group of my ummah, which was waging as if kings were sitting on their thrones. So I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to include me in those people. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you are among those people. He again went to sleep and awoke laughing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said the same twice or thrice. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to include me in that group. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, you are included in the previous batch. Later, Hazrat Ubadah bin Samit married her and he took her to participate in a holy war. When she returned and went close to her mount to ride on, she fell off the mount after riding it and broke her neck. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2894 and 2895.